Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela and in today's video I'm going to review the Dot & Key Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate for you guys. But before we jump onto the review, there are a few points that I need to address, so please hear me out. But if you guys are still not interested in the rant, then I will leave a timestamp here somewhere or in the description box below so you guys can directly jump to the review. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is not an exfoliator or an acid or anything of that sort. It is a humectant. So what that does is it absorbs moisture from the air and hydrates your skin. Now hyaluronic acid has really large molecules, so it will hydrate your skin from the top layer only. It won't penetrate deep in. Here's where the very famous cousin of hyaluronic acid comes in, and that is glycerine, which is another humectant. Glycerine has smaller molecules, so it penetrates deeper into your skin, so hydrates your skin on a very deeper level. The issue with hyaluronic acid is that it is not a long-term hydration. It will only moisturize your skin from the top layer. So if you are looking for something that will trap moisture, then I would recommend you use squalene along with the hyaluronic acid. Now squalene is an emollient, so what that does is, along with hydrating your skin, it traps the moisture into your skin and minimizes moisture loss. If you use squalene along with the hyaluronic acid, it's going to moisturize your skin and keep it moisturized for a long time. So if you have like really dull and dehydrated skin, then I would suggest you use squalene along with hyaluronic acid. But if you have like pretty normal to dry skin or even oily skin, then hyaluronic acid is great for giving that boost of hydration to your skin. Now if you want your skin to be hydrated from deep within, what I would suggest is take this hyaluronic or any hyaluronic serum and mix a drop or two of glycerine to it and apply that onto your skin and follow it up with a good moisturizer so that it moisturizes your skin from deep within. Also, the thing with hyaluronic acid is that it will not on its own hydrate your skin. You need to follow it up with a good moisturizer, so in case the air around you is dry, it will trap the moisture from the moisturizer to hydrate your skin. So that was all I had to say. Also, there's this one more disclaimer that I want to give, that this product does have fragrance in it. So if you have a sensitive, acne prone skin, or if you have a skin that gets irritated to fragrance, or if you have a really sensitive nose, or if you are just allergic to fragrance in general, then please stay away from this product, because it has a good amount of fragrance. Though fragrance is the last in their ingredient list, I feel like this one has a decent amount of fragrance. Now coming to the review, this is the Dot & Key Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. It comes in this very cute outer packaging and has a magnetic flip, and this is where the product is. I really like their packaging. Also here they have a lot of information about hyaluronic acid and how it's good for your skin and all of that. Now coming to the inner packaging, this is how the bottle looks like. It is a very cute pastel colored bottle. But I think the packaging is a little bulky for no reason, which is something I don't like. I really like my products to be really petite and small, which fits really easily while I'm traveling and all of that. So that's one thing I don't like about the packaging. Also, there's one more thing that I don't like about this brand, is that they do not have the full list of ingredients on the backside. Although they do have the full list of ingredients on their website, but on the packaging they've only written the key ingredients, and they've not written perfume here. So it is a little misleading for customers. If they go out and check the ingredients and they do not see a fragrance, they will buy it, and then again the fragrance will irritate them. So that is one thing I don't like about this. So before you buy any Dot & Key products, go to their website, check the full ingredient list, and only after that go for the product. Now coming to the claims, they say that this product has moisture boosting elements that make skin plump and radiant. It is a vitamin C induced formula. They say use twice daily, and it has no nasty chemicals. Now coming to the ingredient, the first one is hyaluronic acid, then it has water, butylene glycol, milk lipids, ceramide, vitamin C, vitamin E, Bulgarian rose extracts, acai berry extracts, fruit oil. All of the ingredients are pretty great for the skin. So that is why I like this, except the fragrance part. But my skin is not sensitive at all. I have really normal skin, and my nose is not sensitive at all, so I am okay with a little bit of fragrance in my skincare. I would definitely prefer products that do not have fragrance in it, but if it does a great job, then I'm okay with it, because my skin does not react or gets irritated by fragrance whatsoever. Now coming to my actual thoughts, if you guys can see, I have used up a lot of this serum. There's only this much left. This is how much I've used. I have been trying this religiously for around 30 days now, 30 to 40 days now. On the package they recommend using this twice daily, but I used it only once a day, that is in the night. On days when my skin felt really dry, I did use this twice, but that would be like around 5 to 7 days out of the 30 days. On other days I just used it once, and oh my god, when I wake up in the morning, my skin looks so plump and radiant, and it looks really nice and hydrated. That is what I love about this product. There's no other serum that has given me this good results. My skin feels really nice and glowy and soft. To test if this is the product that's working for me, or if the other products are working, I did skip this for 2 days, and the next morning my skin did not look that plump and hydrated. So that's the thing with hyaluronic acid, it will only work while you are using it, and when you stop using it, it does not give that glow and radiance to your skin. So definitely use a squalene if you're looking for a long-term results.
So this is how my face looks the next morning when I have applied hyaluronic serum. There is a slight glow to my face. I haven't moisturized my face or applied anything. It's just my bare skin. I have just washed it with a good moisturizing face wash. But apart from that, there is nothing on my face at all. There's no filter in the video. Nothing. So I really love how it looks.
Now how I use this serum on my face is, after cleansing and toning my face, I take a good pump, like a whole pump of this serum, and mix it with a drop or two of glycerine and apply that generously over my face, and then I top it off with a good hydrating moisturizer, and then when I wake up in the morning, I have this very plump, soft, radiant, glowing skin. So that was it for the review, guys. I really love this product. If you guys like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.